Ladies and gentlemen, try. Hello, old friends. I just arrived at the hotel. Do some makeup with me. Let's put on contact lenses first, otherwise I can't see anything. Okay, today we still use wet cotton before makeup. I've almost run out of the previous one. And I've been using this lately. Wet compress cotton sheet of Skin 1004. It can be said that it has completely refreshed the experience of this category of film. First, its cotton sheet is this very soft. Not that slippery, the kind of president who doesn't pick his face and falls off easily. It's that thin and obedient. And it has a lot of essence in it. You see? Can you see that watery feeling it has? Much more than my previous one. Once is its efficacy. Currently my skin type is the kind of mixed dry. If you don't do it well before makeup, it's really pica powder. And everyone knows I like that. Clear and watery base makeup. Demand recently, the northern wind and rain have been relatively heavy in the spring. Heat is hot enough. It also helps me soothe my skin. You see his shape is like this. Bring one of these half moon shaped. It fits our eyes well. Lower and nasal. Edge corner. And it's terrible. Like my nose and chin, this one is enough. Apply it for about 3 to 5 minutes and it will be okay. Then we let it absorb a little bit. It's almost absorbed. Let's apply another sunscreen. I'll be out in a while. This room is very hydrated. In this way, a light application will open the lotion. Also for a 1004. Daily commuting is perfectly sufficient, and it doesn't have a big taste. When it's a little brighter, we can put on the base makeup. This sunscreen, first of all, it will make your base makeup more watery. Secondly, I won't fight with the base makeup. This removed concealer is dull. Then I bought an air cushion with upper and lower makeup. I didn't say it all. You can take a look at this makeup effect. It's really much more docile than my previous base makeup. Anyway, these two are definitely not stuck in powder when used together. Then let's be a little more considerate. Okay. With this new eyeshadow disc I bought. I bought this new eyelash. Bye bye.